My name is Claude Bosi. I own Claude Bosi at Bibendum in Chelsea, in the old Michelin building. The old Michelin house where I used to have the garages in the bottom and the office is upstairs. It was 10 days in Kyoto, something like this. Such a one-time occasion to go to Japan with some Japanese and be able to understand and show you around properly. You couldn't miss that. And at the time, I think it was the first time I was going to leave my restaurant to go somewhere. It really opened our eyes about what actually food is about, and that's why Japan's got one of the countries with most of the 2 and 3 Michelin-starred in the world, is because they've got these understandings, they've got the produce, they've got the understanding about umami and what food is about, and let's deliver it. That's it. Let's not fuss around. Yeah, I think the umami is part of the tradition, it's part of the Japanese life. It's in the genes, it's in the blood, it's what food is about, what life is about. Umami it's a root of Japanese foundation, Japanese cooking. But you know what, I realized we used to use it, but we didn't know about it. I think this is the main thing. Because in French food or Italian food, you've got a lot of umami, but you just don't know about it. I never really understand about it until you go there. And that's why for me it was something completely new. And when I came back from Kyoto, I saw my philosophy of food changing a lot. Just I need to make a dashi, that's it. You heard about dashi and the foundation of umami going through that broth. If you don't see it and understand the way they make it and the kombu and everything who's going inside of that dashi, you would never be able to do it properly. And the beauty of it was understanding what umami was about and where it was. I think this was the biggest revelation for me. Sometimes we make a dashi and we explain to them how to make the dashi. If you have the understanding of the dryness of the mushroom, because at the end it's not just in shiitake, you've got it in morels mushroom, you've got it in sep. Dry sep got a lot of umami. If you understand what it's about, you can change it and do. I'm aware about the amount of umami we're putting in our dishes. The guy in the back understands how to make it properly, that's very important for us. And after they can use it and go somewhere else and start making the use of umami in their own restaurant and maybe push it more forward. And I think it's fantastic. It's a big lesson for a lot of people. That's it.